This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to view positions on Moomoo. If you're using the Moomoo app to manage your investments, knowing how to view your current positions is crucial. Whether you're checking up on your investments or planning your next move, this guide will help you navigate to the information you need with ease. First, you need to open the Moomoo app and make sure you're logged in. If you haven't logged in yet, enter your credentials and get to the home screen. Once you're logged in, you'll be ready to proceed to the next step. It's important that you have the latest version of the app installed to ensure that everything runs smoothly and you have access to all the latest features. Now, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find a navigation bar with several options. Tap on the option labeled Accounts. This section is where you manage and view all of your financial information within the app. It's your main hub for checking up on your investments. After you've tapped on Accounts, you'll need to choose your specific account. Many users have multiple accounts, so make sure you're selecting the one where you want to view your positions. If you only have one account, it will automatically take you to the next step. Once you're in the correct account, the next thing you need to do is tap on Positions. This is a crucial step because this section displays all the stocks and investments you currently own. Tapping on Positions will give you a detailed overview of your stock holdings. Now that you've reached the Positions page, you can see all the stocks you currently own. This includes important details such as the quantity of each stock, the current value, and the profit or loss for each holding. This page is essential for monitoring how your investments are performing and can help inform your future trading decisions. And there you have it. You can now view your stock holdings directly from the Positions page on Moomoo. This feature provides a clear and concise overview of your investments, making it easier for you to stay informed and make strategic decisions. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, being able to easily access this information is vital for managing your portfolio effectively. Remember, regularly checking your positions can help you stay on top of your investments and ensure that you're aligned with your financial goals. Thank you for tuning in to this quick tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, consider exploring other features of the Moomoo app to get the most out of your trading experience.